Square D Schneider Electric offers two smaller sizes of current transformers, or CTs, the 2NR and the 5NR donut type. Both have integral secondary windings, or wiring, comprised of black and white output wires to your 0 to 5 ampere reading electric meter or electronic instrumentation. The primary wire goes through the center hole of the donut, and the main current to be read flows through it. That's true, of course, on both sizes. The current transformers can just hang there on the wire carrying 600 volts or less, physically, or you can utilize an MB1 mounting bracket to mount the donut to the side or floor of an enclosure. The MB1 is an optional accessory sold separately from the 2NR and 5NR current transformers, but is handy for mounting it to the side wall or bottom wall of an electrical enclosure.